Hi guys, would you love to work as a youth staff on board cruise ship? Then this video is for you. You're a teacher. Have you worked as a coach, sport coach? Have you worked in a daycare? Have you worked as a nursery teacher? And maybe have you worked as a camp staff and you'd love to work on board a cruise ship as a yacht staff or in a cruise? Then this video is for you. This is an open position. The salary is amazing, and the fact that the position is open right now, trust me, at the end of this video you can go ahead and apply. If you want help with your CV, you can always reach out to me. I'll leave the email on the description of this video for you guys to reach out. So for requirements, you need to be 21 years and above. You have at least 2 years experience working on board, not on board, working as a either nursery teacher, working in a daycare, working as a sport coach, working as a camp staff. If you have all that experience for 2 years, you can go ahead and apply for this job. Even if you've worked in in a hotel industry, and you've worked with kids, you can still apply for this position. So guys, before even we start with today's video, I want to give a few notes, or I'm going to answer a few questions that I've been getting from you guys, and that's regards to our physical appearance or how we look when it comes to applying for cruise ship job. I've get complaint of someone telling me, like, someone told me I cannot apply for a job in a onboard cruise ship because I'm not slim. Someone told me I have pimples, so it's not possible for me to apply a job in a cruise ship. This is a lie. Actually, working on board cruise ship is one of the safest place where they don't have like physical discrimination. Just because you're not tall, just because you're not slim, just because you don't have like you're dark, just because you have pimples, like you cannot work on board. You can. So you don't worry about anyone who is telling you that. All you need is to have experience, be confident, be able to speak in English, and also always have your smile on, because mostly in cruise ship it's all about hospitality, and you need to be a person who is always smiling. Okay, so guys, don't worry about how you look. As long as with the disability you have cannot make you not do your work very well, then you can apply for these jobs and get one. And another thing, if you haven't subscribed, guys, please do subscribe. Help me get to 15,000 subscribers. And if you haven't left a comment, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that your bell icon is open so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you're a new subscriber, if you just came across this video, my name is Paulina, or Travelwiththuo, and on this channel I talk about travel, or how you can immigrate to different countries without using an agent or a traveling consultant. Okay, I talk mostly about cruise ship. I also give other information about opportunities abroad. So stay close, stay tuned, and always come back to watch more of my videos. The other thing I want to include on this video is that in 4 days time I'll be celebrating 2 years being on YouTube, and I want to give back. I have like 5,000. I don't have a lot of money, but I have 5,000. I will give to one of my subscriber. I don't know which category I'm going to use, but I'm going to go and check through my comments, or through my comment in some of my video, or even this video. And then if I ask you to DM me, you're going to use the email that I'm going to leave on the description box of this video, and reach out, and I'll know how I will transfer the cash to you. So guys, let's get into today's video. I will take you through the website, what you need. The position is already open. It's only for you to send your application. Always make sure that your CV is perfect. Check the job description, and then use that information to tailor make your CV for that specific position. Okay, guys, so let's get into today's video. Guys, here we are. This is the job opportunity I've been telling you about, and this is how you go about it. So when you come to this, I'm going to take you back to how you're going to get to this point. And as you can see, this is under youth or camp staff. Okay, and I don't know why I'm excited. You know, niliuliza mtu amepata job, amepata hii job na Carnival already, akaniambia pesa zenye wanalipwa like 1700 na kuna zingine bado unaongezewa huko ndani. Okay, na Carnival, and then wanalipa poa kuliko maybe Princess na pesa kidogo juu. Okay, for the first time kuna tu pesa huku. So as you can see, I'm sorry for using Swahili, I'll try to use English. As you can see, there's the penguin where you take care of 2 to 5 years. There's this name where you stingrays with 6 to 8 years. There's shark 9 to 11 years. There's the night owl. This is where you get to take care of the kids at night. Okay, late night, age 2 to 11. Okay, so you host like late night parties, you keep kids entertained until 1 a.m. Okay, so if you have 2 years experience working in a large group of children, and either as a sport coach, YMCA, or overnight camp staff, or daycare school teacher, you can apply for this position. Okay, fun, energetic candidate who adapt easily to change and think outside box, ability to take direction, collaborate, and also work individually. You have to be 21 years of age. Okay, ability to speak, read, and write English proficiently. Okay, so this is another requirement. So you need to know how to speak, read, and write write English proficiency. CPR and first aid training preferred. So it's not a must, but it's preferred. So if you haven't done the CPR or first aid training, you should, because working with the kids, anything is possible. Okay, you need to know how to do first aid just in case a kid gets into an accident, injure herself, injure the friend, or it's just something happen. Okay, then they have experience with animation, costumes. Mascot is a plus. Okay, so this let me give you an idea. I know some of our people who have been teaching the old style generation may not understand about animation, costume, and mascot. You can do this. You can use YouTube. YouTube can become your friends. You can get information about this, how to work with kids, and all that. And let me tell you, let me give you a secret. Do you know, guys, my dream job to work on board cruise ship is youth staff. If there's something I really love is working on board cruise ship as a youth staff. So this is what you do. You submit, you register, then you pray. This is something that you can pray if you want. And then you will need to do a virtual audition, resume, and unfiltered headshot of your application. Okay, usiweke filters uso yako, usitumie picha ya TikTok, ya Snapchat. Go get a good headshot, like a very good passport size photo of you. Computer or mobile device with webcam or front facing camera. So you need to have a good phone or computer that you can do, like they'll be able to see you during your interview. Readiness to record video responses, short written responses, and multiple choice answers when completing the digital interview. Reliable internet connection and clear audible capabilities. Proper writing, professional attire, environment for the video portion in the interview. Paper and pen for note taking during the live interview. For a live virtual interview, except to be online, approximately 1 hour. Okay, so it's gonna take almost 1 hour during your online interview, but it's worth it, you guys. Okay, we need this job. If you have experience, they don't have like discrimination. You just need to have what they need. These are the major requirements. Okay, You just need this, and I'm sure if you've been working with kids, you already have this requirement. There's the age requirement, and it's normal to work on board. You need to be 21 years due to the law, the US law of people who can take alcohol. Okay, so, and then when you do that, you can just apply. Okay, you can apply. Okay, you just need to apply for that position. And as I said, if you don't know how to write CV, if you don't know how to draft to write a professional CV, you can always reach out to me. As I said, I always leave my email on the description of this video. You can always send me a message. Okay, so these are some of the other positions that they have. There's assistant youth director, there's camp staff, there's team leader. You can always click and get notified whenever the opportunity is open. Okay guys, so if this has been your dream job, you can go ahead and apply. I know someone will ask me, how do I get to this website? I'm going to leave you the link of the link of this specific website, but this is what you do. So this is when you type on your search engine, you type Carnival Cruise Jobs application, it will lead you to this website, and then click here. This is where you see shipboard based based job, and then you just scroll down. You come here where they have our 6 main department. There's marine, there's hotel, there's speciality, there's entertainment, there's medical, there's casino. Just click on entertainment to view the position. Okay, when you come here, depending if you're using the phone, you just need to click next until where you get here youth stamp. Click there, and as you can see, you get to the website where I was talking about. Okay, where I was talking about. So you just need to see what is there. As you can see, okay, look, you can see what is there. If you want to apply, you just click here. Okay, you just click here and check what is available. So I hope this video was helpful, and you guys are going to ahead and apply.